Welcome back everybody to the Element Vape channel. Today we will be looking at the new Voopoo Argus Z 17-watt pod system featuring a built-in 900 mAh rechargeable battery with a 17-watt max power output, utilizing a draw-activated firing mechanism backed with Voopoo's ITO atomization technology, powered by fast charging Type-C USB, paired with a 2 ml refillable pod, compatible with all Argus pod devices, utilizing an integrated mesh coil system, delivering great tasting flavors for a satisfying MTL experience. Let's get right into it and present the new Argus Z pod system by Voopoo. And here we have the new Argus Z pod system provided to us as a sample by Voopoo, the newest addition to the Argus lineup, crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy, offering this nice dual tone design, available in 7 different colorways to choose from. Here we have the navy blue edition for today's review, integrating a built-in 900 mAh rechargeable battery, pushing a max power output of 17 watts. The Argus Z will utilize a draw-activated firing mechanism, paired with a built-in LED battery light indicator, powered by fast charging Type-C USB, paired with a 2 ml refillable pod, offering an ergonomic mouthpiece with a transparent pod structure, magnetic pod connection. Here's our side fill system, housing up to 2 ml of e-liquid, utilizing an integrated 0.7 ohm mesh coil. The pod will be compatible with previous Argus pod systems, which includes the original Argus pod, the Argus P1, and the Argus Z, bringing you great tasting flavors for a satisfying MTL experience. The package will include the Argus Z battery device with a 2 ml refillable pod, utilizing a pre-installed 0.7 ohm mesh coil, a Type-C USB charging cable, and a user manual.